she once came to see Satya Sai Baba. She came along with a 6-month-old child alone. And some days she stayed there and all that. At this, she was to go back. When she sat in the aircraft, started to fly. But barely 10 minutes later, hijackers took over. They were all covered by the hijackers. Nobody knew that they were hijackers. They were sitting like on tracks. And then with gunpoints they were covering them. So 4 chaps have gone inside to hold the pilot and the co-pilot. And one chap was taking out some bomb and he was placing them all, connecting with each other, so that India if you light it, then there will be a series of blasts and the entire aircraft will blow. She contacted mentally, Baba, I came to see you. This is the reward you are giving me. Then some reply came to her. You throw waves of love towards them, things will become okay. What are you talking? They are trying to send us to heavens and you expect me to throw waves of love? Where from will it come? Well, if you cannot do that, then you at least pray to the Lord for them and you pray also to Him, please remove the grudge or the ill will from my heart against them. You pray. Then something she began to pray. Suddenly the fellow who was putting the bomb, he stopped on his tracks and he was looking like a madman and nobody told anything. He was not doing anything. Just then they had reached a very big field and the hijackers, 2 of them, were bringing one of the co-pilots out and they were coming near the gate. There is dark. And the other fellow made that pilot force land there in that field. Then force landed and it happened. They opened the door, put the ladder down, and looking towards them, they got out. They gave some message to the colleagues and went out. Then slowly the other fellows also, pointing the gun at them, then backwards they moved and they all got out. Finally, all of them got out. And the 2 pilots were finally taken down. That's all, they were left unharmed. They have got their course. It was a prearranged affair. So they all left, that's all. Nothing happened. Then the pilots, they were only shocked a little. Then they went. They contacted some of the airfield nearby. He has written it in the account of the leadership. Immediately to love a person who is trying to send us off with heavens earlier than necessary, before our turn. We don't like it. The Lord. But you can pray for them. Only particularly Jesus. You can be a Draupadi, you can. Draupadi's 5 children were killed by Sudhama. And the previous night they have been killed, all the 5 Upapandavas. And she's crying. Arjuna told, don't worry, I will go behind him and I will place his head on it at your feet. He goes, and then finally she just ties him like a cow or sheep in the ratha, and then he brings him with a proud this thing. Looks at Draupadi. He thought Draupadi will say, Abba. Draupadi immediately, she comes, she Guru Putram Nanamasa, she just did namaskar there to him, and then tells him, Muchata Mesha, Nitarang Guru, Brahmano, Nitarang Guru. He's a Brahmana, he's a Tapasvi, he's your Guru. They thought, her brain has gone wrong, is her father was the Guru, Dronacharya. So how this fellow is the Guru? And immediately she says, quotes Veda, Atmavi Putranamasi. It is the self who becomes the son. So as such, he is as well as a guru. So a Guru Putra is no different from his father. And she says, Nanda என்னோட குழந்தைகள்லாம் போச்சு. So I am there. இப்போ his mother has already lost the Dronacharya. இவன் மொத்தம்தான் இருக்கான். ஈவினிங் திருத்துட்டேன்னா அவளுக்கு என் குழந்தைகள் திரும்பி வந்துருமா? ஸோ என்னத்துக்கு why do you make another one equally unhappy? At least let her enjoy. He didn't bother. His face went to see. Then she says, look here, he is a Brahmin and a tapasvi. If you harm his little hair, your entire kula will die. There will be nobody to tell your name. Remember that. So that shakes him a little. Then Dharmaputra applauds. That's all. She says, Dharmyam, Dharma, Abhiyadu, then Ritam, what is true, and the man is on their man, whatever. So it can only be a. See, any other lady இருந்திருந்தான்னா நேர போய் அவன் மூச்சியில துப்பி அங்காரா எனக்கு 5 குழந்தைல ஒரு குழந்தையாவது விட்டுருக்கலாமேடா. Why did you kill all the 5? She would have cried. But no, she says, leave him, muchata mesha. அந்த மாதிரி the same thing. அவ்வளவு ஜீவனுத்தரா இருந்தாலும் ஜீசஸ் அந்த தேக இது பூரா விடுறதில்லை. இதுன்னு இருக்கு. அந்த தேவசனா suddenly becomes bigger in a very big crisis. So அவ அந்த இதுல அந்த கிராஸ் பண்றதுக்கு ஆக்ஷன் போட்ட God has the one so forsaken me, நீயும் என்ன கை விட்டுட்டியா அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறேன். 1 second, immediately he remembered. He says, no. Because he himself has told in St. John, I and the Father are one. I and the Father are one. Adinala, he again says, they know not what they do. Forgive them. Please, avala mannichudu. Ava enna pandrom theriyama pandrega ignorant people. Mannichudu. Such people who have almost reached the highest level of spirituality, அந்த தூரத்துக்கு போய் கம்ப்ளீட்டாக வந்து நமக்கு அநியாயம் பண்ணவன. ஏன்னா அவன் பண்ணலை. இதெல்லாம் ட்ராமா ஸ்கிரிப்ட், பகவானுடைய ட்ராமா ஸ்கிரிப்ட். சைமல்டேனியஸாக நம்மளாம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். யூ கேனாட் டெல் ஒன் வேர்ட் unless he has willed it already. You cannot do one action. கையை இங்கேருந்து இங்கே போட முடியாது unless his will is there and it is already in the drama script. அவ்வளோதான். அதை மறந்து போயிடுறோம். ஸோ அவர் நேச்சுரலி எல்லாம் குடியாக எழுதினா அந்த ட்ராமா பகவான் போனேன் ஐயா. ஸோ அதில் ஏதோ ஒரு வில்லன் பாவம் அவனை அவன் எல்லாரையும் கட்டப்படுத்தி இது பண்ணி அவன் ஜாலியாக இருக்கும். அந்த மாதிரி அவர் அப்படிதான் பண்ணிருக்கார் அவர். ஸோ என்ஜாய்